So hello everyone, very good morning to you all. How are you doing? Fine? All good? Okay. So let's start today's session, which is set operations. Let's recall what we have covered in the previous lecture. We have covered the set theory, the introduction of set theory. We have also covered how many types of sets are there, how to represent a set, what is set builder form, what is roster form, all are we have covered. Now we are going to learn about set operation. My question is, what is operations? So you will say, sir, is it the same operation that doctors do in the hospital? No, this is not the same operations. This is the operation that we perform on a set. Why? To get a new set. Why? To get a new set. So let's see what are the operations here. First of all, I will tell you there are many operations, but we will see some general operations that we perform in class 11's set theory. Okay? So let's see the first operation, which is union of set. Union of set. Union of set. Okay? Now, what is union of set? Can anyone tell me? No? Okay, so let me tell you. What is union of set? Union means to join two sets, to combine two sets. Simply, I am writing here the definition. After that, I will take a simple example and you will be learn easy definition. Like, what is union of set? See here. Let A and B are the two set, then let A and B are the two set, then A union B is the set that contains what? All the element of what I'm writing here, all the element of set A and set B. What I'm writing here, all the element of set A and set B will be in the A union B. Clear? Okay. Now I hope the definition is clear. If the definition is not clear, then see here. I'm going to take a very simple example for you. Let's say we have two boxes. So we have two boxes, and in these two boxes there are some balls, or we can say there are some letters, there are some stickers in the form of alphabets like A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. In the second box there are some other alphabets like A, B, M, N, O, P. Now I am saying make a single box such that all the alphabets must be in a same box. Okay. So let me do how we will do this. See here. I'm going to make a single box like this. Here, if I'm finding, let's say this is box 1 and this is box 2. Clear? And I'm going to make a single box which is box 1 union box 2. Clear? Box 1 union box 2. If I am making this box with the alphabet which is given in box 1 and box 2, it will be something like this: A, B, C, D, then E, then F, then M, then O, N, O, and P. Clear? You can see here there is 6 elements and but A, B, C, D, E, F, M, and O, P. Here are some elements which is combined together. Now, I hope this definition is clear. What is union of set A and set B? Union of set A and set B is the set which includes all the elements of set A and set B. Let me tell you how to represent the union of set. How to represent the union of set. So you can write the union of set, the union of set, the union of set can be represented as how? Tell me how? Represented as A union B. This is called union, or you can say cup, or you can say joint. So you can read it as A union B, A cup B, or A joint. Clear? I hope union is clear. Now, what is Venn diagram for A union B? Do you know? Okay, so let me tell you. So A union B, the Venn diagram for the A union B is a pictorial representation of A union B. Let me tell you how it looks. Make a simple heading Venn diagram. Venn diagram for A union B. Okay? Venn diagram for A union B. Again, I am going to make 2 circles. Okay? I am going to make 2 circles. One circle and another circle. Clear? Clear? How Venn diagram for A union B works? See here. Let's say there are some digits given in this diagram, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Clear? This one is A and this one is B. Okay? Now, here 1, 2, 8, 6, 4. Some other digits are there. If I am making A union B, then the Venn diagram for this looks like something like this. And circle A and circle B contains, what are the elements that circle A and circle B contain? 3, 4, no, not 4, because 4 is a common. Okay, so 3, 5, here I am writing 1, 2, and 4. Okay, and circle B contains 6 and 8. Okay, now you can see here the Venn diagram having some common elements. These are the common elements you can see here. Okay, if I am making the set of A union B, then easily you can see here the element 1, 2, 4, which is common in set A and set B. We will write once, and 3, 5, 6, and 8. So this is what this is A union B. Okay, I hope A union B is clear. Okay, now the second operation is what? The second operation is intersection of two sets. Let's make the heading intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Okay, right now I am not going to teach you the properties of these operations. In the next lecture I will tell you what are the properties, what are the laws like commutative law, idempotention law, identity law, which operation follows to them. Okay, right now I am going to teach you only the operations. So the second operation is what? Intersection of two sets. So what is intersection means? What is intersection means? Intersection means the set of common elements. Simply the set of common elements. So let A and B are two sets. Let A and B are two sets, then set of common element. What I am writing here? Set of common element is called. Set of common element is called A intersection B. Clear? Definition clear? Okay, so let me take a simple example for you so that this definition I can make for you very simple. Okay, now see here what I am going to do. Let's say we have two boxes again. Okay, example, let's say we have two boxes again. Okay, this one is box A, this one is box B. Okay, now in the box A there are some alphabet A, B, C and D. Clear? Here again some alphabets like A, E, F, C. Clear? Okay. You know the order is not necessary in the set. It means we can make a set in different orders like 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both are the same set. Okay. Now see here. I am saying make a single box having intersection of both the boxes. Okay, what I am saying, make a single box having intersection of both the boxes. So if I am writing this one is box A, this one is box B, and if I am making the intersection of both the boxes, so we can write here box A intersection box B. Can we write? Yeah. So we can write box A intersection box B. See here, if I am making the intersection, that means it consists only the common element. See here, which one is common element? A and A is common element. So take here A. Okay. Now, which one is another common element? You can see here C. Just take it again. Is there any other element which is common? No, there is no other element which is common. So box A intersection box B contains only two elements which is A and C. Clear? Okay. Now, how to represent an intersection, sorry. You can write here intersection of set A. You can write here intersection of set A and B can be represented as how? Can be represented as how? Tell me how we can represent A intersection. What is this symbol? What is this symbol? This symbol is intersection. What is this symbol? This symbol is intersection, or you can say cap, or you can say cap also. Okay. So A intersection B or A cap B you can say. Now let me tell you how to represent A intersection B in the form of Venn diagram. In the form of Venn diagram. So just make a simple heading Venn diagram. Venn diagram for A intersection. Clear? Venn diagram for A intersection. Okay. Now, how will make the Venn diagram? The Venn diagram for intersection is, first of all, we will take two circles, something like this, something like this. You can see here, we will take two circles, something like this. Okay? Okay? Now, in both the circles, I am going to write some numbers. You can see here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? In the second circle, I am going to write 1, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Okay. What is Venn diagram to represent A intersection B. Here you can see simply as I have told you, the intersection is the common element, set of common element. So you can see here, whenever I am writing the common element in this section, I will write. In this section, I will write. Okay. So 1 is the common element. You can see 1 is the common elements. I am writing here. I am writing here. Okay. And 2, 3. Yes, 3 is the common elements. Right here. Any other element? Yes. 4 is the common element. Right here. And the other elements which is not common, 2 in set A. You can say this one is circle A, circle B. So in the set A or circle A, we can write 2 here and we can write 5 in the circle B. When I am writing the set of A intersection B, you can see here, set A intersection B contains the elements 1, 3, 4. Is it? Yes. So I hope it is very clear that intersection of two sets contains only the elements which is common in set A and set. Okay. So note down. I will tell you what are the next operation that we can perform on a set. Okay.